stove.
Y'all done almost burnt up my food. Oh my God. Up in here trying to record some hair. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Chrissy back with another video. Today I'm gonna be taking out my hair for you guys since I see that y'all loving my hair videos. Okay, so welcome to all my new subscribers. Glad to have y'all. Love y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. Don't be looking at my ghetto fingers, okay? My little stubby chubby fingers. Yeah, that's a whole nother story. Okay, this is part of my routine maintenance on my hair. I guess it's not maintenance, it's just, yeah, it's maintenance, whatever. I'm gonna stick with maintenance. But I pretty much get the same hairstyle every time. I like my 2-strand twist because I can do all type of things with my 2-strand twist. And I have a lot of locks, okay? I have a lot of hair. Y'all gonna see when I take this down, like how much hair I have. It look full now, but watch when I take it down. It's gonna be like, okay? I like my little look like this or whatever. I'll turn around to the back. Hey. But that's how it looks. But if y'all can see, my roots, child. Look at them roots, child. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I wash my hair when it's in this state, but I did not this time. It's pretty, you know, clean. It's not flaky or nothing like that. So I'm not gonna be washing it because once I wash it, it's over with. It just poof all the way up. I'm gonna use this razor, eyebrow razor, liner, whatever, okay? Your hands ain't steady, Butterfinger Betty, no, okay? It's probably not a good idea for you. I never use it for my eyebrows. I actually get my eyebrows threaded. Oh, and them things need to be done. Look at them, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take this down and y'all stay tuned. I didn't even have to use this. I'm finna show y'all why I use this. Watch how it look. Don't look at my terrible fingernails, okay? But anyway, watch how easy this is. Watch. See, that's it. I just touched it and it come off. Boom. All right. Guys, I got all of my hair undone and I'm about to get ready to start taking it down. I'm a little behind because I ate dinner and I was talking on the phone for a while. I don't know how I always end up doing these super late videos. Y'all, I got the most crazy dating stories. I don't know if I want to, been debating if I want to bring that to my YouTube channel and do like some story times, but I'll leave that up to my viewers. So let me know down in the comments if y'all want some story time dating stories. Otherwise, we're going to keep it to myself. I done missed another one. cover up a whole bunch of my new growth up here. And I usually, you know, fix up my little edges or whatever, so that they're presentable. I don't use a whole bunch of product with my edges. Like right now it's fine. I don't have like a whole bunch of frizz, but as time goes on, when I do get frizz, I'll just put mousse on there. Now as far as breakage goes, I don't really have too much breakage at all. I'll insert the picture right here for my breakage. I've pretty much learned how to maneuver through my hair without having a whole bunch of breakage. I use very minimal products, guys. Even when it comes to stuff like laying down my edges, I don't really do like the baby hair and all of that stuff, so I don't really use edge control. So it's minimalistic for my hair, and I really try to keep my hair clean because I had a problem with buildup in the past. I was using so many different products. I think as time goes on, when you have locks, you know, just same thing when people get natural hair, they try different things to see what works for them. Of course, each different hair texture type is different. So, you know, whatever works for you, stick to that. But what works for me is just simplicity and minimalistic products. So I like to use things that are alcohol free, dye free, etc. and whatnot. So as far as with moisturization, I use natural oils, tea tree oil, the cannabis sativa oil, olive oil. I try to stay away from oils that are solid in its natural state, because those are the type of things that create buildup. I've seen people that do retwist and they use grease and stuff. Like, I don't put that type of stuff in my hair. I don't use those type of products because if it's solid in its natural state, then it'll be solid once it get away from your scalp. You know, once it's warm on your scalp, so it will melt, but as it get down the lock, it will create buildup. It's going to go back to its natural state. So try not to use those type of products. Again, I am not any type of licensed loctician, stylist, cosmetologist. So anything that I do is from trial and error, from me just having locks for the past 7 years. I've tried different things, and this is just what works for me, like I said. So as always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you, guys. Welcome again, my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Holla at your girl. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching.